Those who own XRP, welcome back to the crypto channel. As always, thank you guys. Let's not waste any more time and start with the update. So, KBC Bank in Belgium is going to let regular people trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. You've heard it before, we're seeing this happen really quickly. A lot of banks, mostly European banks, have recently come on board to offer crypto services to their customers. There are even some that are going to build their own cryptocurrency sites for their customers. This really shows the change we're seeing. Welcome back to the service, people who own XRP. As always, thank you guys. Make sure you click the red box that says subscribe. At the moment, the price is $2.25, which is up 3.7% and up 0.1% compared to Bitcoin. The value is getting close to $100 billion, and the 24-hour trade volume is about $3.5 billion. As always, before we go any further, I want to make it clear that nothing on this show is meant to be money advice. As with any investment, you should always do your own study before putting money into crypto. This is a pretty funny joke. You can check this out for yourself. XRP is now the most valuable coin on the market, even more valuable than Bitcoin. Subjective view says that one coin should win, all of them. But you should know that what's happening with XRP right now is crazy. Lots of things are going on at once, and if you own XRP, you shouldn't ignore them. Take a look. Ripple has said that they want to become a bank and open a Fed Master account. This means that they will be the first cryptocurrency bank to hold funds directly with the FBI. Say, you don't need a bank. For instance, they might be able to offer banking services that include crypto, give you money using your XRP and crypto as collateral, possibly on the blockchain, and send money across borders. The best part is that the FDIC will protect accounts up to $250,000, which could include some cryptocurrencies. This is going to be crazy, and XRP is in charge of it all. From 2025 to 2026, the 100-year banking cartel began to fall apart. This will be remembered in history. There is very, very big stuff going on. Brad Gerlinghouse, the man himself, has said that Ripple is asking for a national bank charter from the OCC because the company has a history of following the rules. If it were okay, we would have both states through NYFDS. It's a new and different way to measure trust in the stablecoin market. Sorry, NYDFS and federal oversight. We also put in for a Fed Master account earlier this week for standard custody. Clear rules and regulations are being worked on by Congress, and banks are stepping up, which is a big change from the years of Operation Choke Point 2.0. This access would let us hold our LUST reserves directly with the Fed, which would add another layer of security to the future-approved trust in our LUST. Ripple has always been building safe, trusted, and battle-tested infrastructure, and it always will be. In a market worth more than $250 billion, our LUST stands out for putting rules first, which is what institutions accept as the norm. Really, this is what I said. I've talked about this 100 times on my show. This is what these guys are carrying out. They are not messing around. They know how important clear regulations are, and with all the interest in stable coins around the world, Ripple is really getting on board by releasing our LUSD at the right time. Our LUSD is a stable coin that meets regulatory requirements. This is going to change everything. To add to that, Smoke says that the move of Fedwire to ISO 20022 will likely make more people use Fed. Right now, also, clear rules about regulations are about to bring banks into the crypto field. If there are clear rules, banks and other traditional players may finally enter the crypto space. This would speed up the growth of stable coins and the Bitcoin reserve. It would also get rid of taxes on many small dollar crypto asset trades, making it easier to use these assets for everyday transactions. Imagine if this were to happen. Imagine if this were to happen. A lot of people will be watching this because it would be a huge boom for the crypto area. Also, since we're talking about crypto, I just wanted to touch base with the real market. The S&P 500 is getting a lot of attention. It's crazy that the S&P 500 is now up almost 30% from its November lows. If you look at the price, control is still going down 65.2%, which is still a very high number in the big picture. We have the May high to back us up, and you really want to see the power fall. It would be great if Bitcoin could stay at 109,400, which was our last all-time high at the start of this year. That seems like a bit of a fight. I think this will reach all-time highs if it can break out. The price of XRP is awesome. For $2.25, you can see this for yourself. And by the way, we've been wicking up to $2.29 since a few hours ago. I think we'll fill the wick and test $2.33 again. If our range can be closed above $2.26 again, especially if Bitcoin can bounce back above that range and dominance falls, I expect this big breakout that we haven't seen since May. It would be very exciting. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for reading CryptoZX and have a nice day.